Hey guys, this is my PTR Jack, a beautiful short barrel shotgun. I'll put this laser on it. It's just a fantastic looking gun. The only thing I don't like about it is this foregrip, this front grip. And so this company, Atlas Defense, just came up with this this grip especially for PTR Jack. Let me show you what it looks like. They 3D printed. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this front grip with this new grip that I got. I already there's a screw down here, this screw, I already took it out. So this comes out. So this one goes back in. It's a little tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and hammer this thing in, or use a mallet to punch it in. Let's see here. I think I've had it. There you go. All right, so drop the screw in. Looks like it's going in. Is it? No, maybe a couple more taps. Let's try it now. All right. It's catching now. All right. So that's what it looks like now. A much better grip. There it is. So again, this is the front grip from Atlas Defense. 3D printed, replace it with this thing, which is kind of hideous looking, to this. Thanks for watching, guys.